Welcome to this video lecture on the subject basic electrical and electronic circuits. In this we are going to discuss about network terminology. So electrical network is interconnection of various circuit elements or electrical components. For example, this circuit consists of battery, inductor, resistor and capacitor. So this electrical network terminology can be defined one by one. So what is meant by electrical circuit? So the circuit is the network which consists of a closed path for the current flow. So the voltage is applied in this circuit by using a switch. It is controlled and load is the light bulb. So this is the electrical circuit and the terminologies are defined one by one. So what is meant by branch? So the branch is the single element or combination of elements between two nodes. So in this diagram, resistance R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 up to R7 are connected as branches. So the resistor in between two nodes is one branch. Next is the node. A node is the point at which two or more branches are connected. It is a junction point. For essential node with three or more branches are connected. So in this diagram, nodes are mentioned in this. For example, between R1 resistor, R3 is and R2. These are the resistors are connected at one node. And loop. So path is the continuous sequence of connected branches. If you take a closed path, so in which no node is encountered more than once. So this kind of path is defined as the loop. For example, in this circuit, let's take a node A. So when we go from node A to node B and again E to F to A. So this is one loop. Similarly, from node B and node to node C to node D, E and B. So this is the second loop. So like that we can three loops and also two meshes. So let's define the mesh. It is a loop that does not contain any other loop inside it. So mesh and loop are defined equally, but only difference is that mesh does not contain any loop inside it. For example, in this diagram, two meshes present. So loop mesh 1 and mesh 2. The current flow in the mesh 1 is I1 and current flow in mesh 2 is the I2. And let's see an example for the network terminology. How to determine the number of nodes, loops, branches and meshes in a circuit. Consider this. Here consists of voltage and resistors R1 to R6. So how many nodes present in this circuit? So 6 nodes defined as node numbers and branches are 7 branches. So it is voltage source is the one branch and remaining 6 resistors. So totally 7 branches are present in this circuit and loops are 3 and meshes are only 2 where current flows I1 and I2. And another example for network terminology. So first diagram consists of voltage source, resistances R1 to R5. The nodes are numbered as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth node is common to R4 and R5. There is no another branch is connected in between. So this consists of 4 nodes. And in the second diagram, it consists of 6 branches. So totally 5 resistors and 1 voltage source. And meshes are given in third diagram. So it consists of 3 meshes. It does not contain any other loop inside it. So 3 meshes. And the loops are 6. So these 6 loops are present in this diagram. So let's take the assessment. A junction where 2 or more circuit elements are connected is known as loop, branch, node and mesh. So the answer is C, where node. It is a junction where 2 or circuit elements are connected. What is mesh in circuit theory? A loop that contains no other loop inside it, any closed path in a circuit, a node with 3 branches, a source free circuit. So the answer is a loop that does not contain no other loop inside it. So it is the mesh. So thank you for listening this lecture.